Hi everyone, welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are talking about the Slide Master, a super helpful tool that makes your presentation look neat and consistent. So guys, let me tell you why we use the Slide Master option in the PowerPoint presentation. So guys, it can save the setting of the slide layouts. So we can modify the slide layout setting from the Slide Master option. Without wasting your time, let's move to the View option where we can find the Slide Master. Here it is. So if I click on this, it will open the Slide Master window where we can modify the slide layout setting. So let me first tell you about the slide layouts. So guys, move to the Home tab. Here in the new slide, you can see multiple type of slide layouts available. So this one is the title slide. Whenever you create the presentation, it will insert this one first. So Ctrl+M is used to insert the slide. And this is the next slide, title and content. When you insert the slide after the title slide, it always insert the title and content slide automatically. So this is the main slide. Third one is the section header slide. You can use this slide where you break your section. Fourth slide is the to content slide, where you can list two content and define them. And another one is comparison slide. This slide helps you to compare two things. And this is the title only. It has only the one text box on this slide. This is the blank slide. It has no objects on it. This is the content and caption. And this is the picture and caption. Caption means name. So your PowerPoint presentation has these kind of slide layouts inbuilt, and we can make the change of those layouts using this Slide Master option. I just click on the Slide Master option. So guys, here we need to scroll up from here, and you can see the first big slide. This big slide is the style slide. You do not need to make any changes in this one, because if you make any changes in this one, and then changes will apply to all slides. So you need to go to the second slide. This is the title slide. Second one is the title slide. When you hover your mouse on the slide, you can see you should read the name first. By reading the name, you will be confirmed that which slide layout you are going to modify. So I will select the second one. This is the title slide, and here I want this text to be printed in the red. So I just change the font color to the red. Now guys, I am going to change one more slide for you. So I am scrolling it down, and this is the blank slide layout. I will change it. So I will put a shape on it. So I will take this star and I will drag it here. And guys, I will change the color of it, and I want to put some text also. So I will take this text box on this and write down the Anurag Lab here. So I want, when I insert blank slide, these two objects will come automatically with the blank slide. As you can see, we made changes in the first slide and blank slide layout. And now go to the Slide Master and close the Slide Master view. Now guys, you can see the text is in the red because it inserted the title slide automatically. And when we insert the blank slide, let me insert the blank slide for you. When I click on the blank slide, you can see it inserted a star and the text I set in the Slide Master. So guys, Slide Master saves the setting, and it can run in this file only. It will not disturb the default PowerPoint setting. So when you make the Slide Master in any PowerPoint presentation, it will work for that file only. So guys, Slide Master is your secret weapon for a polished presentation. It's about keeping things consistent, saving time, and keeping it simple. If you do not want to make changes on the same slides again and again, No need to format each slide one by one. Slide Master lets you make changes across all your slides at once. Now it's your turn. Open PowerPoint, play around with Slide Master, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Your friend Anurag Pandey. Have a nice day.